Hello everyone! It is my beautiful baby boy's 10th birthday. So join us in celebration.
DOG is my BFF. DOG is my BFF. Clap your hands if you love your dog. Stomp your feet if you love your dog. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, say yahoo if you love your dog. Spin around if you love your dog. Go crazy if you love your dog. Spin around, go crazy, say yahoo if you love your dog. DOG is my BFF. DOG is my BFF. All I wanna do is pet a pet because DOG is my BFF. Always by my side is my dog.
Hello everyone! So we are at the Belmont Water Dog Open Space Hiking Trail. And this is our first time here. I chose this particular place because it sounds really accessible to dogs as well as to non-athletic persons. So hopefully we get at least about a 2-mile hike today.
Come on, Bailey.
Go, Bailey, go! Go, Bailey, go! Okay. So for these trails, you do share them with bikers, and the trails can get pretty narrow, so you really just have to give way to each other. No? No? Go! Go, Bailey! Okay. Okay, Mama will do it. It's actually scary, huh? So we're pretty high up already because the parking lot is right down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So the parking lot is like right there. Turned out to be a nice Super Bowl weekend. Good weather. The trail is pretty dry, but there are patches of wet, but it's like compact wet and not muddy. So it's a good celebration day for Bailey. Plus the trails there's many trails here actually. So there's different levels, easy, moderate, and of course hard. But it's so pleasant and doable, even if you haven't worked out for a while.
Always down for a ride is my dog. Ready, set, bark. Smile big if you love your dog.
I really like this hiking trail system that they have in this particular park because it's well marked. There's a good variety of shade, and that the trails are pretty short. They're either like 0.3, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, and you can pretty much create your own mileage. You know, you can take a 0.3 with a 0.5 or a 0.5 with a 0.7. So you can pretty much custom create your own degree of difficulty for the hike.
Dance a jig if you love your dog. Smile big, dance a jig, do-si-do if you love your dog.
All right, and we are all done. We started around, or we got here around 9:30, and it's about 11:15, and we think we completed a 2.25 or maybe 2.5 mile hike, and we still have a lot of energy. Bailey did a great job. He actually has the more energy between Darwin and I combined. So now we are on our way to a late brunch, and Bailey is knocked out. He'll wake up because he needs to eat breakfast as well.
D.O.G. is my BFF. D.O.G. is my BFF. All I wanna do is pet a pet because D.O.G. is my BFF. Always by my side, always down for a ride. My number one in life is my dog.
Bailey was so good during lunchtime. He was well behaved, but he still has so much energy. He can walk for days, this little baby. So we're home now, and Bailey has bathed, and he smells really good again, and his white coat is very shiny again. He had a lot of walking today. He loved it. Did you like your birthday? Your birthday celebration? Yeah, he did. After lunch, we did go to San Mateo, and we sort of walked around their downtown, picked up some chocolates for the adults, the human adults, and some boba. So thank you so much for spending his big day with us. See you next time.